We can see the Chief Minister of the state of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, the Deputy Chief Ministers, Brijesh Pathak, Keshav Prasad Maurya, the entire cabinet, all of them are now taking the holy dip. They are at the Sangam. An invitation of sorts also being given out by the Chief Minister. Through these visuals, an appeal being made to the people, not just in India but globally, that you should come to the Mahakumbh and take the holy dip in the Sangam. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, the entire UP cabinet, in fact, the UP cabinet meeting this time was held in Prayagraj. A little bit of fun we can be seeing. All the ministers have taken the dip. They've performed the puja. And now, slowly, they'll be making their way back. Just a couple of minutes ago, it was the Chief Minister of the state of Uttar Pradesh who spoke about the cabinet decisions that have been taken with regards to Prayagraj. There will be infrastructure projects that will start shortly, and the connectivity to Prayagraj will improve in years to come. Those projects will start in the next couple of months. Yogi Adityanath said that the central government and the state government, the double-engine government, will make sure connectivity to Prayagraj becomes very easy. Samarth, we also saw Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He read out the decisions that were taken during the cabinet meeting, and he also said that multiple road connectivity projects will begin very shortly.
Well, exactly, Aishwarya. Many developmental projects, including especially the focus is on the road connectivity. As I said, to make the passage easy for the devotees from Ayodhya to Banaras to Prayagraj to Chitrakoot. These are the major sacred places about the Ram. We talk about the Ramayana, about Lord Shiv's journeys. So that's why these places are important for them, and that's why such announcements were made by the BJP government, by the Yogi government out here, and really that could be a stepping stone for the government as well. Because we see a lot of things at a time when opposition is raising questions on Mahakumbh and many other things. The state government, the Yogi government, is putting entire focus out here to make things really easy, and that's why it has become really very crucial out here, and that's the sense out here about the developmental projects. Because Yogi cabinet earlier was about to held yesterday, but the day was changed, and Yogi Adityanath's visit was later changed. But as we see that the ministers are taking the holy dip, they are making the most of it from this particular event. At least all 54 ministers of UP cabinet were invited to the meeting, which was expected to approve several significant proposals, schemes that were also which came out to light. Following the meeting, Yogi and the cabinet are taking currently the holy dip, and later they will be taking that particular lunch from here, and later on we see much announcements from the government, because the final release about the cabinet will come soon. But the major announcements regarding the cabinet happened, and already the announcements have been made especially about the highways, about the expressways, about the passage for the roads were made very clear. Back to you.
Right, Samarth, and we can also see Yogi Adityanath is someone who's always enjoyed these activities, and we can see that the entire cabinet, the happiness can be seen on their faces. They are happy taking the holy dip. Now a photo of sorts we can see. Chief Minister leading the way. Samarth, this also is a big symbol. From what we understand, the Chief Minister now also making sure that all the cabinet ministers are together. A united front also is something, a symbol of sorts that Yogi Adityanath is now projecting. And we should not forget, 2027, the year when the UP elections will take place, is a crucial election for the BJP and also for Yogi Adityanath.
Clearly gives the sense about what's happening out here in Sangam, and that, as you talked about the 2027 elections, that is also very crucial, because before the 2027 elections, the Milkipur Ayodhya by-election is very important. It is more important than any other by-poll that happened before. and to make the most of it, BJP wants to use it as a tool for the vote bank as well, and that's why Mahakumbh is very, very crucial, and that's why the sense of unity about the Yogi ministers, Yogi Adityanath, and see now they are coming out as we see the photo opportunity is happening out here. CM along with the ministers, while the SDRF and NDRF teams are protecting that particular guard with the boats roaming all around, Jal police and everything moving around, senior police officials, IS officials making a vigil, taking a vigil eye of all those ministers and Yogi Adityanath. And now after taking the diff, they are coming out for offering prayers. As we see, the ministers and Yogi Adityanath is again going inside, as we see in the visuals, as he's also taking the dip again. Earlier we saw he was taking the dip with all the ministers, and now this time around he's taking the holy dip alone. And this is the visual that could really add up to the Milkipur by-elections in Ayodhya, and that's why now we see all the ministers coming around and taking this particular holy dip out here in Sangam. I can see Jaiveer Singh, the UP Tourism Minister, Daya Shankar Singh, UP Transport Minister, Daya Shankar Mr. Dayalu, UP Ayush Minister. So all portfolios, all Anil Rajbhar is also in the frame. Satwa Baba is in the frame. So all the ministers and saints are here taking the holy dip, and also a photograph is also, a group photograph is also being clicked out here, as we see that they are also having fun out here, making the most of the river Sangam out here. And after that particular portion, after the photo opportunity thing, now they are coming out, and later we saw that they'll be having a lunch, and post that they'll move to Lucknow.